Hello everyone, today we're going to talk on a project report on home automation system using hand gesture recognition and hardware layer abstraction. The project has been made by Anand Kumar, me and Sarthak Mehta. The major objective of this project is to convert a home to a smart and secure one while maximizing cost effectiveness. The key aspect of this work is that most of the existing infrastructure of the home could be reused to enhance it in an intelligent home over fresh installation. In addition to automation system, it is also proposed to introduce a multi-layered security system using the same controller. This would be implemented as an additional layer over the existing circuitry without any interference. The proposed system implementation would also overcome the shortfalls of an existing system and improve the economy by creating distinct functions in a programming code for mapping input sensor to an output sensor. The video shows the working of an LED bulb based on a potentiometer. We can manually control the brightness of an LED using a potentiometer. The LED bulb can be replaced with any real-world appliance like an AC. This can also be used to auto. Hello everyone. This is the home gesture recognition module that we've constructed. So as you can see that there's a node MC over here and three different LEDs. The three different LEDs can be considered as three different controlling devices of the home. You can consider it to be a TV, air conditioner and refrigerator. The node MC will be controlling the three different LEDs based on the signal that it is receiving from the MQTT cloud. I'll be explaining that to you later. This cable over here is just for powering up the node MCU. It has no work of transferring signal or anything like that. Now the node MCU is connected through a Wi-Fi module and the Wi-Fi is being provided by this mobile over here, as you can see. So this is a Python script that will be processing the signal, the hand gesture, and be sending it to the MQTT cloud, from where the node MCU will be receiving all the signals from the MQTT cloud, and correspondingly one of the three LEDs will be glowing. Now I will show you a very simple demonstration of this project. So when I'll be running this Python script, I'll be getting a video feed, a threshold, and the statistics as to what signal is being recognized. So this now I'll be showing you the swing command. So this is swing. As you can see, it is saying that the predicted class is swing along with a confidence level of around 99.99%. And you can see correspondingly that the third LED is glowing. Now I'll be showing the fist command. So you can see that the predicted class is fist along with a 99.99% accuracy, and correspondingly the first LED is glowing. Now and then the last one, this is the palm signal. So again you can see that the predicted class is palm, the confidence level is 99.99%, and correspondingly the second LED is glowing over here. This is a home gesture recognition device that we built. Thank you. Take the example of this RFID based scanning system. We are using an RFID scanner connected to an Arduino. When a user who has already saved his card in the database attempts to enter his house, he has to swipe his card on the scanner. If the scanner identifies the card, the door will open, which is indicated by this LED light. The functionality can also be used to personalize a house. If a particular user enters a house with his distinguished card, the user can activate different functions like switching on the AC and turning on the lights of a drawing room. While exiting the house, when he swipes a card, all the appliances can be turned off, such as all the lights. Thank you and have a good day.